So we have now created and updated an EC2 instance on AWS with Terraform. So in this exercise, we will use Terraform to destroy this infrastructure. So once you no longer need infrastructure, you may want to destroy it to reduce your security exposure and costs. For example, you may remove a production environment from service or manage short-lived environments like build or testing systems. In addition to building and modifying infrastructure, Terraform can destroy or recreate the infrastructure it manages. So let's do that. Let's see how can we destroy it. Let's get back to the git bash again. So there is nothing much to do. So let me clear the screen here, and then the terraform destroy dsto destroy command terminates the resources managed by your terraform project. So this command is the inverse of terraform apply. So in that it terminates all the resources specified in your terraform state. So it does not destroy resources running elsewhere that are not managed by the current terraform project or the current terraform project which is run by the current configuration file. So let's run it and execute it and see what's going to happen. So terraform destroy has been executed. So it's running, it's a refreshing. So let's see. So it's asking me for a value. So we want to destroy the resources that we have created. So wherever you find the minus prefix indicates that instance, you see all are minus prefix. This minus prefix indicates that the instance will be destroyed. As with apply, terraform shows its execution plan and it waits for our approval. You can see that it's waiting for our approval. In plan there is nothing, no addition, no change, only for destroying you have won. So we are ready to destroy here. So and it's asking for our permission. So once we give the permission, once we answer yes to execute this plan and destroy the infrastructure, so rest all will be history. Rest all will be history. So it's destroying. Let's see what's going to happen. So just like with apply, terraform determines the order to destroy your resources. In this case, terraform identifies a single instance with no other dependencies. So it's gonna destroy our instance. Let's see. So it's taking a lot of time. So I think is 10 seconds elapsed, 20 seconds elapsed. Is something wrong with our uh, what's that? Let me check. Let me save this. Is everything fine? This one is fine. Yes, I took more time, but that's fine. Destruction complete after 43 seconds. So destroy complete resources 1 destroyed. So in more complicated cases with multiple resources, terraform will destroy them in a suitable order to respect dependencies. But where here we have only one instance, so it has destroyed as a normal case. So it's success. So let's get into the AWS console and see what is going to happen. So let me get into EC2 dashboard. So instances, how many are there? So first TF. So still, let me refresh it and see it's gone. Gone means absolutely gone. There is no instance in North Virginia. So again, I'll get into the instances. Yep, first TF state, it terminated. It got completely terminated. If you see here, it's destroyed, and here it got terminated. So that's how we destroy infrastructures. So this is the best example. So we have taken from EC2 instance, AWS, which is an EC2 instance that we have created in our earlier exercise. Then we have updated it. Then we have destroyed it.